ZHRC Z105 WiFi FPV dual camera drone. Advanced brushless foldable quadcopter with 360-degree obstacle avoidance. The ZHRC Z105 WiFi FPV drone is a powerful feature-rich quadcopter designed for both aerial photography enthusiasts and professional drone users. Equipped with dual HD cameras, a 4.3-inch LCD screen controller, brushless motors, and an intelligent 360-degree obstacle avoidance system, this drone ensures smooth flight performance and stable image transmission. Key features of the ZHRC Z105 drone dual HD camera system with servo gimbal. The ZHRC Z105 comes with a 4K ultra-clear front camera and a 720p bottom camera. The servo-controlled gimbal enables real-time angle adjustment, offering stunning aerial shots and smooth video footage. Users can seamlessly switch between views, making it ideal for cinematic drone photography and real-time surveillance. Built-in 4.3-inch LCD FPV controller. Forget about external mobile devices. The integrated 4.3-inch FPV display provides real-time flight visuals directly on the controller. This allows for quick setup, lag-free streaming, and easy access to flight data without relying on external apps. 360-degree intelligent obstacle avoidance. The Z105 drone features advanced 3D infrared obstacle detection technology. Its sensors can automatically detect objects from all directions, preventing collisions and allowing for precise indoor and outdoor navigation. This makes the ZHRC Z105 one of the safest drones for new pilots. Brushless motor technology for enhanced performance, high-speed stability and longevity. Brushless motors are the heart of professional-grade drones, and the Z105 delivers with high-efficiency brushless propulsion systems. They provide stronger lift, reduced noise, and longer operational lifespan compared to traditional brushed motors. Improved battery efficiency. The Z105's motors optimize energy consumption, allowing flight times up to 25 minutes per charge. Combined with a modular battery design, users can quickly swap batteries for extended sessions without technical hassle. Flight and control capabilities, GPS positioning, and altitude hold. The GPS-assisted flight system ensures precise positioning, automatic return to home, RTH, and stable hovering. Its altitude hold mode locks the drone at a fixed height, enabling stable image capture even in windy conditions. Multiple flight modes. The ZHRC Z105 FPV drone includes various intelligent flight modes such as Follow Me mode. Tracks the pilot automatically. Waypoint flight. Predefine a route via the controller. Surround flight. Captures 360 panoramic videos around a set point. Gesture control. Capture photos and videos with hand signals. One key functions simplify flight control with one key takeoff, landing, and return. These automated commands help beginners operate the drone confidently while ensuring safety during every flight. Design and build. Quality foldable and portable frame. The ZHRC Z105 features a foldable arm design for maximum portability. Its compact build fits easily in a backpack, making it an ideal travel companion for vloggers, adventurers, and photographers. Durable materials. Constructed with high-strength ABS composite, the drone withstands light impacts and harsh environments, ensuring durability without compromising on weight. Connectivity and real-time transmission. Stable Wi-Fi FPV signal. Equipped with a 5 GHz Wi-Fi transmission module, the Z105 offers low-latency HD video streaming up to 300 meters. Users can view live footage in real time and capture crisp aerial imagery from remarkable distances. Easy app integration. While the controller provides an onboard display, users can still link the drone to a mobile app for extended controls, firmware updates, and real-time flight analytics.